everybody, welcome to the video. My name is Zen Rumiko and today we're going to be doing something we haven't done before on my channel. I spoke a little bit about it on the hardcore series that I have got running at the moment, and basically what we're going to be doing is sort of documenting my progress as I work through making a game. I don't even know if I'm going to end up finishing it or anything, but either way it'll make for, I suppose, something interesting to watch, I hope. That's the main goal I have. Also, it'd be nice to get a good game out of it at the end, but yeah, anyway, I've already started. I started getting a little base for the main character. What I've done so far is this. My plan for it is to have it so you can swap out all the different things and put different clothes on. At the moment this is just the base thing that I have, apart from the fact that, hang on, let me go and disable the hair, press play. Oh, and I want to turn the helmet on. So see, we got this here, and we have this little button on the GUI here, and if we switch, down one, there we go, so it changes. And this is how I've set that up. So I've got a whole bunch of different folders here for all of the different parts that you can have, and I've done it so that any sprite you put in here, it'll load that, so you don't have to do it in the code and reference each particular image that you want, which was a lot different to how I was doing it when I fiddled around with something like this before. And I'm not even sure if I like this character model, but I think one of my problems was with this, it didn't kind of suit the feel of the game that I wanted, although I'm not even too sure myself. I did feel that the animations looked a bit weird though. If I go to like this one, it reminds me of Drawn to Life, is it? How it's kind of put together, I don't know. But I can't really play it, can I? No, not from there. Either way, I did want to start again, so I've done this and I've got a style which I think is a bit more, I know, more unique, I suppose, and if we build the game around that, then it should look pretty good. So yeah, but this system for switching out the things where I just have to make new textures and put them in there, and I should be, like, see, I just made that, just I do have to do some things in the game, where is it, textures and helmet. I need to fiddle around with the settings and make this 33 and apply it, and it'll be there, and then I have to change that to true color and that to point, and it's there. But that, I basically just took the image for this helmet and chopped the bottom off it, and then there it is, it's in the game already. I just made another folder. So that makes it really easy, because what I had to do before was make all of these, and I had it in a big sprite sheet. I had to reference each one in the code here, and you see it's got, oh, those are just the transforms, those are just the different bits. Now here are all the different sprites, and each time I made something I had to put them in new, and also all this code which really isn't needed. I just didn't really know what I was doing, just to apply it. But with the way I did it just then, thanks to a little help from Google, I actually need to open up scripts. Yeah, it's basically just this bit here. I've repeated it 3 times, but I probably don't actually need to do that. I just did that because it was a test to see if it would actually work. But yeah, it loads all the resources in this folder, and then it sets the sprite in the sprite renderer to my textures, and because it's a array, the index, which I have with those GUI buttons popping up. So yeah, okay, that's what I've got. That makes it really easy for me to make 100 different shirt types and maybe little pattern overlays to put on there. Also, unlike this one, it's not made up of, okay, so here we have hand left cloth one, which is the cloth that goes over the top of it, and then I also have a second piece of cloth that didn't go with that one, and then I also have the glove piece, and yeah, and that's just 3 for that one, and then you have 3 there, more than 3 there I think, and just so many little things I got to sync up over the multiplayer. I didn't say I wanted to do, my main goal for this is just have a little fun multiplayer shooting platform game, and maybe some swords. So far for this I haven't coded any sort of movement thing for that, and for this one I basically just used the default, the example that comes with Unity. Yeah, so I'm actually, I don't know if it'd be worth, oh well, I'll show you what I have so that you know that it shouldn't take too long for me to get back up to this level with the player model that I have. The thing with this version that I made is I was pretty much working out Unity as I was going along and making it, so it's not, it could be done a lot better, and I have done it a lot better, just shrinking down all that code into these three lines. So much good. Yeah, okay, that's English. And I want to go play here, right? I did have get some practice in with using these GUI template, no, what are they called? Skins, GUI skins. So I got all these options that don't do anything at the moment. Start the game, join the game, and join a team. Yeah, as you can see, the clothes are different, because if I shut down the game, oh no, I need to restart this. See, it's not too far along, but it does have a lot of nice stuff. Actually, I need to maximize this. Maximize, yeah, there we go. Alright, yeah, it's got all this customization you can do, different colors, and I'll put something in pretty much exactly like this. It'll just be easy to set up is all. That's Attack on Titan, that's what it's supposed to be anyway. I never made a texture to make the boots extended, but I can do that in this game. Yeah, so close that, and now we have this. So yeah, that's what I've got done so far. I don't know if that looks really weird or if it's just me. I do think when I put more customization in, it'll look a lot better. But yeah, and of course you're not going to be seeing it from here. It'll probably be about that big, I suppose, on the screen at all times, which shouldn't look too bad, I suppose. Zoom out a bit, maximize, yeah, something like that. Anyway, that's what I've got done so far. So, oh, bump my mic. From here, I suppose I'll end this. Just an introduction. As soon as I get some more work done on it, I'll be sure to make an update. That's probably how these videos will be, just little updates. Unless I'm stuck on a problem or have something to work through, and then I might just put record on and work through it while I talk into the talk into the microphone for a bit. Might be good. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.